In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Google Sheets protection. If you've ever opened a spreadsheet and found certain cells or entire tabs locked, that's Google Sheets protection at work. It's useful for preventing accidental edits, but there are times you need to lift that protection so you or your team can make changes. Before we begin, a quick note. You must have permission to edit or manage protections in the file. If you don't, the options we're about to use may be grayed out, and you'll need to ask the file owner or someone with the right access to remove the protection for you. Start by opening the spreadsheet where the protection exists. Make sure you're looking at the correct tab if the issue is on a specific sheet. With your file open, move to the menu bar at the top and click Data. This is where Google groups tools for cleanup, validation, and protection. From the Data menu, choose Protected Sheets and Ranges. This opens a sidebar on the right side of your screen. The sidebar lists all the protections set up in the file, whether they cover specific cell ranges or entire sheets. If you're not sure which entry to select, glance at the descriptions. Entries that say sheet usually cover a whole tab, whereas ones that list a range reference apply only to part of a sheet. Click the entry that corresponds to the sheet or range you want to unprotect. When you select it, you'll see its details and who is allowed to edit it. Take a moment to confirm you've chosen the correct item, especially if there are multiple protections with similar names. To remove the protection entirely, click the Delete or Trash Can icon on the right side of that protection's header in the sidebar. This doesn't delete your data. It only deletes the rule that's enforcing the lock. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Click Remove to confirm. As soon as you do, the protection is lifted. That means anyone who already has edit access to the spreadsheet can now modify the cells or the tab that was previously locked. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If your goal is to open editing only to certain collaborators, consider adjusting the permissions in that same sidebar instead of deleting the rule entirely. Removal is all or nothing. If you don't see the Protected Sheets and Ranges option, refresh the page or check that you're in the desktop version of Google Sheets. And if removal isn't available, you likely don't have the required permissions. That's it. Your sheet or range is now unprotected and ready for editing.